Just unbox your Samsung 75" QLED TV, let's power it on and get it fully set up in a minute. The Samsung logo pop up, that is the first sign that the QLED display is ready to shine. Samsung will ask you to scan to sign up your account, but we'll skip this for now. You're greeted with a welcome screen. Select start and let's move on. Country region, select your country region, confirm and tap next. Network connection, you will see the network setup screen. We will skip this for now and continue. Now, viewing experience. Take your viewing experience to the next level. We will do this later. Select next. Create TV pane. Now create a pane for your TV. Enter your TV pane, confirm it and then continue. TV source. You will see no broadcast signal. Totally normal. We don't have antenna or cable connected yet. So we select no broadcast signal. Now the Samsung home screen. This is the Samsung home interface. Now let's get connected to the internet. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network. Enter the password and connect. Terms and conditions. Agree to all the terms and tap OK. To unlock the full Samsung Smart TV experience, sign in to your Samsung account. This gives you access to apps downloaded from Samsung Store, cloud sync and backup, personalized recommendations, smart things and voice services. Enter your Samsung account details or sign in with your phone. Once signed in successfully, select next to continue. Product registration. You can register the product now or skip for now and continue. Restore settings. You'll be asked about restoring old data. Just tap next. Then we have the voice assistant. Voice assistant setup appears. Skip this step and continue. Favorite services. Select your favorite service or simply skip for now. Home screen apps. To add your favorite apps to the home screen, tap save. About this TV. Let's quickly check about this TV. Everything looks good. Setup complete. This is about this TV. You see the model number of this TV written in the about. So to go that, just go through the settings. You see support, then about. Picture quality check. We are currently in the store mode, which shows the best picture quality for display. You can change this later for home use. Setup complete, and that is it. Your Samsung 75" QLED TV is fully set up and ready to go. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more Samsung TV tips, hidden settings and fixes, and drop a comment if you have any setup issues. I will reply. Thank you.